This video tutorial I will explain Amazon Simple Storage Service. Amazon Simple Storage Service or Amazon S3 is a versatile cloud storage solution provided by AWS. Amazon S3 offers scalable, secure and reliable object storage, making it the ideal choice for businesses and individuals alike. What is AWS S3? AWS S3 is an online storage service where you can store and retrieve any amount of data at any time. S3 is designed to be highly durable, which ensures your data remains safe and accessible. S3 can easily scale to accommodate your growing storage needs. With robust security features, S3 keeps your data protected from unauthorized access. Now we will see what are buckets. Buckets are containers for storing objects in Amazon S3. Objects are nothing but files. Each bucket has a unique name, making it easy to identify and manage. Buckets are used to group related objects together, providing organization to your storage. What are objects? Objects are files you store in S3. The files can be any type of size from a few bytes to terabytes. Each object consists of data and metadata. Data is nothing but the file content. Metadata is nothing but information about the data. Objects are identified by the unique key, which serves as the file name within the bucket. What are keys? Key is a unique identifier for an object within a bucket. The key is essentially the file name and can include path-like structures to organize objects. Keys helps in organizing and retrieving objects efficiently within your S3 bucket. What are regions? AWS S3 stores data in regions. Regions are geographic areas where your data is physically stored. Choosing a region close to your users can reduce latency and improve performance. Regions allow you to comply with data sovereignty requirements by storing data in specific geographic locations. Now we will see how does S3 work. First step is creating a bucket. You start creating a bucket in a specific region. The bucket will hold your objects. Second step is uploading objects. You can upload objects or files to the bucket. Each object is stored with the key. Third step is accessing objects. Objects can be accessed via unique URLs. Permissions can be set to control who can access or modify the objects. Fourth step is managing data. You can organizing data using prefixes and delimiters, similar to folders and subfolders. S3 provides versioning to keep multiple versions of an object, and it is useful for backup and data recovery. Now we will see some of the key features of Amazon S3. First one is scalability. S3 automatically scales to handle any amount of data, making it ideal for small applications as well as large enterprise applications. Second one is durability. S3 is designed for 99.11 of durability, meaning your data is extremely safe and unlikely to be lost. Third one is availability. S3 offers 99.99 availability, which ensure your data is accessible when you need it. Fourth one is security. S3 provides multiple security features, including encryption at rest, encryption in transit, access control policies, and integration with AWS identity and access management. AWS S3 is cost-effective storage solution. S3 uses pay-as-you-go pricing model. So you can only pay for the storage you use. Flexible pricing. AWS S3 has different storage classes, and using that we can optimize the cost based on the access patterns. No upfront cost. There are no upfront investment or long-term commitments required to start using Amazon S3. Now we will see some of the common use cases where we can use AWS S3. First one is backup and restore. Data protection. S3 often used for storing backup of important data, ensuring the data is safe from loss or corruption. Easy restoration. When needed, the data can be quickly and easily restored from S3 backups. Versioning. S3's versioning feature allows you to keep multiple versions of the files, making it easy to revert to previous state. Next use case is data archiving and content storage. Data archiving. S3 offers long-term storage of infrequently accessed data at lower cost, which is perfect for archiving purpose. Content storage and delivery. S3 is ideal for storing and serving static content like images, videos, and documents for websites and applications. Next use case is big data analytics and disaster recovery. Big data analytics. S3 is used for storing large data sets that can be processed by big data analytics services like Amazon EMR or AWS Glue. Disaster recovery. S3 provides a reliable solution for disaster recovery, which ensures data is safe and recoverable in case of unforeseen events. Getting started with AWS S3. Create an AWS account if you don't have any AWS account. Log into AWS Management Console and navigate to S3 service and follow the steps to create the bucket and start uploading the objects. Then experiment with S3 features like versioning, access controls, and data management. I have logged into Amazon AWS console. Here, search for S3, click on S3. Here you can see create bucket option. Every object in S3 stored in a bucket. To upload files and folder to S3, you will need to create a bucket where the objects will be stored. Here you can see the pricing detail. With S3, there is no minimum fees. You only pay for what you use. And the prices are based on the location of your S3 bucket. Click on create bucket. Here you have to select the region. And bucket type, I have selected general purpose. Bucket name should be lowercase. Remaining configuration, I am not changing. I leave it as a default. Click on create bucket. Here you can see the bucket is created successfully. Here you can see the bucket. Click on this. Inside the bucket, I'm going to create one folder. Folder name is image. Folder is created successfully. Here you can see. Now I am going to upload one file. Click on add files. Select the file. Here you can see the selected file. Click on upload, and file has been successfully uploaded. Here you can see the uploaded file. Here you can see the file details. Click on buckets. If you want to delete the bucket, select this, click on delete. But before delete the bucket, it should be empty. Click on empty bucket. Here we have to type permanently delete. Click on empty. The file has been deleted. Click on exit. Select the bucket. Click on delete. Here you have to put the bucket name. Click on delete bucket. And bucket is successfully deleted. Now we will see the conclusion. Amazon S3 is powerful and versatile cloud storage service that is easy to use for beginners and capable of meeting the needs of advanced users. Amazon S3's scalability and durability make it suitable for businesses of all sizes and storage needs. With robust security features and high availability, S3 ensures your data is safe and accessible when you need it. From backup to data analytics, S3's versatility makes it excellent choice for a wide variety of storage needs. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.